Hey everybody, I'm doing a little something a little bit different that my normal videos don't do. This is a how-to video. Not one of my first, I don't believe, but certainly interesting. This is pretty random out of here too for my videos. Well, recently I bought RAM for my computer. I bought RAM because my computer only had 4 gigs. I recently bought two 4GB chip cards, so that's 4 times 2. That's how they do it on the website. I'm not teaching you guys math. And so now I'm going to have 12 gigabytes. I'm going to show you guys how to install it right from the iMac. I bought this off Critical, Mac compatible. There's the RAM. So that's it. I'll show you guys how to do it now. So this is what the RAM looks like right out of the box. It seems like the boxes are actually just kind of made because you see there's 3 slots. So it seems like Critical probably just makes their own packaging and everything. So here you go. Now how to install them. Okay, so here is the computer laying down on my bed. I got my screwdriver here. There's 3 screws, one there, and one there. And inside there are 2 times 2, which is 4 gigabytes of RAM on 2 2GB cards. They are blue. I've already done some research into them and how to install, but I decided to make a video of myself. So alright guys, so here it is. You're going to pull until it comes right out. And that's how you insert the RAM. Like I said, blue card. So pretty much, just insert it just like that. And you'll know it's in when you feel the click. You'll feel a little slight click in the computer. So let's go ahead and insert our new RAM. Pretty much this way. And go ahead and ooh, that's hard. But it is going in the right way. I read online that you have to apply some force to get the chip in, but you can feel it go in. So that's in. Now you're just going to put the lid over it. Do the same for the opposite side right here. Get your RAM. Put it in. So that RAM is in as well. Go ahead, put this on. And of course, you have to have the computer off. As you can tell by the plug is unplugged. It's pretty obvious. And all you do, once your RAM is completely in, as far as you can, as my fingers hurt, my thumbs, you're going to put this right back on. Yes, my hands are a bit shaky, but let's fast forward through this part. Well guys, after installing your RAM correctly, you click on your Apple up here, you go to About This Mac, and it will tell you your memory right here, and it should tell you 12 gigs of RAM, 1333 megahertz, DDR3. So that is it, everybody. That's pretty much how to install your RAM. You can also check your RAM activity by going to Activity Monitor. I'll show you how to get there. You go to Application, Utilities, Activity Monitor. Should be the first one. And right there, it tells you CPU. You can click whatever you want. And you can also check your CPU and your system memory, which tells you how many gigs of RAM you've installed. And right here, you can see clearly I have 9.88 gigs left. As you can see, the reason I got 12 gigs of RAM is because I've run servers, I've run like Ventrilo, Minecraft, Left 4 Dead, I also play Left 4 Dead while running these servers and everything, and Steam, and it was a lot, and it was putting my computer down all the way to like 0.20 megabytes of RAM. Like, that's very, very low. I bought my RAM for $50. Here's a disclaimer. Pretty much, if you installed your RAM the wrong way, it is not my fault. I just showed you guys how to install RAM. This is how I installed it. First time, I got this correct. As you did see, this is 12 gigs of RAM, and before I did have 4. If you break your computer or break your RAM chips or anything about your RAM or your computer, it is not my fault. I taught you guys and showed you guys the right way. If you don't trust this video, go watch another one. They're all the same. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed, and good luck to you and your new RAM.